It won't fit. Pull it back. Pull it back. You need to move over as well now. I'm not going to move. Oh, why did you take up so much space, bro? That's right, he can squeeze in the end. So come back, come back. Bring the cat, come on, you're alright. Just do this. Nah, you're right, you're right. You just make it work, you're right. You've got it. That's all that matters. Where's the drone? Where's the drone? Out there. Well, then I've got this camera here. Oh, okay. This is where that drops and they all go. Yeah. So this is what you fuckers. Imagine that. Ow, 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 ow. Right, yes guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here, Hypermotor King. I'm not on my own. I'm surrounded by not one Ducati, not one 765 Triumph, not one R6, one crazy GS and another Ducati. We got 3 Ducatis. We are here on a lads trip. This is the Euro trip to the Dolomites. We've got all the boys. The trip is actually sponsored by White Dalton Solicitors. We've got the White Dalton celebrity here. The YouTube sensation. The 44 Chief sensation here. Gavin, the solicitor man, with the beast. You brought the beast out today.
The 1250 GSA, the best bike, the adventure, the best bike. Yeah. In my humble opinion.
You love that. You love a BM.
We'll see. Let's see how it stacks up compared to all these beauties.
Yes. We have a selection. We have the V4, the Boxer, the inline 4. We've got the triple. We've got the V-twin, and we've got my cheeky single. We got the cheeky single. We got. Oh, I just fucking stepped on the drone. I broke it. Shit, man. Actually, yeah, I shouldn't be having it. Right, so these are the lads. We've got all the rides. We know everyone knows Go the Magician, Go the Great. He's been on all the videos. We've got obviously Gavin. He's already been introduced. We've got Rambeer on the Street Fighter V4. We've got Sexy Rav on the fucking on the drinks.
Barman.
We got the actual medium man. We've got Germ on the drone showing all the footage. But yeah, so this is a video in the making that took a lot of planning. It's taken a mad amount of time to get all us lot. Yeah, thanks to Gav. Gav smashed it, man. We're all here. The bikes are here.
3 more to join the party.
3 more to join. They're going to join us in a few days' time in Chur in Switzerland. They're coming in 2 days later. So this is the mad Desi Asians Dolomites trip plus the tag along.
You'll even know the extra 3 people as well.
Yeah. So yeah, guys. So this is going to be a mad one. So stay tuned to the video. We're going to look a mad series. We've got 7 days hitting the Dolomites on the most unexpected, craziest bikes that shouldn't really be traveling. With touring gear that shouldn't really be on these type of bikes, but we're going to make it work with 3 pants and 2 t-shirts. And Rav wants us to find a pond or a lake or a beach, we want to go swimming. We got to go swimming at some point. So
that's all he wants.
So you want some water? We're going to hit some water. So so right, guys, stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe. Follow the channel. Follow the video guide. It's going to be next level. And Gum, over to you for the fucking sign out, mate.